What's good, Forex moguls? And I'm back with another banger. So, ngibuyile futhi again. Namhlanje ngizokwenza i-tutorial yama-currency pairs. Ukuthi-ke imaphi-ke esike si-focus-e kuwona, nanokuthi-ke imaphi mhlampe engathi mina ungawasebenzisa uma ukuthi wenza ama-events, cause usually sifocus-a kuy'ndawo eziwu-2 ke la kwi-Forex Moguls team, which is if ama-fundamental mase kuba ama-technical. But kukho colleague wami uyena ofocus-a kakhulu kuma-technical, mina more ngala kuleli side lama-fundamental. So for a beginner, guys, I will say this again. For a beginner, yonke lento engiyenzayo ngiyenzela for umuntu ongayazi nje i-forex. But if when uyayazi, uyayi-understand, you can try other videos that we have nje kwi-channel. There are so many videos that you can click for uma ukuthi unalo ulwazi but usufuna uku-upgrade kancane. There are lots of things-ke lapha ngisazowenza futhi nama-strategies ahlukahlukene. Kwamanje nje ngisaqalisa phansi ku-2025 nje, ama-beginners again, cause ngiyabona i-situation esikuyona right now kwi-country, kuyadingakala ukuthi umuntu abe as helpful as possible ngezindaba zemali, because inkinga inemali. So ngingakhulumi kakhulu uku-waste isikhathi. So igolide it's XAUUSD. So la kahle kahle sisuke sibhekane nokuhwebelana between igolide ne-US dollar, which is i-America. So usually i-USD na-ke is i-base nje, ngamanye amazwi iyona i-country ehwebelana noma esetshenziswa kakhulu when it comes to ama-fundamental and nokuhwebelana nje kwezimali jikelele emhlabeni wonke. So la igolide-ke into engingathi mhlampe ukulichaza kancane just ukuthi ngibe informative. Igolide mfethu lisiza in one thing uma ukuthi uzoli-trade kuma-fundamental. Yabo uma usebenzisa i-lot size yakho, mhlampe let's say u-0,01, kuyakufuna-ke ukuthi nemali ithi xaxa, yabo, dependa kwi-broker oyisebenzisayo, because lona njengoba li-0,01 line-weight enkulu, ligcina likwenzisa imali enkulu uma ukuthi nawe ufake imali enkudlwana. So lona li-good ngaleyo ndlela, ungali-trade-ke ngey'khathi za3:30 nalo liyenzeka kanjalo, depending ukuthi ufocus-e kwini, cause belicishe lihambisane no-Nasdaq no-US, but-ke there's nothing much. But nje abantu abaningi bayalithanda igolide, and ngizontshengisa ukuthi why belithanda igolide, ngizontshengisa ukuthi why. Okay, so let's move right along. So Nasdaq lo NZD-USD. So NZD-USD, guys, kuma-fundamental nguthandiswa into eyodwa. Yabo uma ufake let's say i-account yakho iwu-$10, uma ufake u-0,10, ama-pips akho whether yenyuka noma yehla ahamba according to i-lot size yakho exactly, meaning ukuthi uma inyuka izonyuka ngo-10 pips, not ngo-10 pips but ngo-10 lot size, 0,10 lot size. But angazi noma uyayi-understand-ani le nto. Ngizozama ukuthi ngichaze le nto, but okay, wait. I know imake i-drawing yami la sengiyibekephi. Let me check again. Iy'nduku zami zokubhala-ke angiziboni-ke la, but kahle kahle ile nto engiyibekayo nje ukuthi u-0,10 uzohamba ngo-0,10, but kuyenzeka mhlampe i-USD JPY uthi ufaka u-0,10 uthole ukuthi kodwa ihamba ngama-odd numbers, yabo. Uthole ukuthi nje ihamba o-1, o-3, o-7, yabo, unga-understand inyuka kanjani kodwa ubufaka u-0,10 as i-lot size yakho. So kudiphenda kumalona-ke lapho kuma-currency pairs owa-trade-ayo. Then mase siba ne-G_B_P USD, it's a very nayo futhi ihamba according to exactly as in i-NZD USD. It's very good nayo, carries a lot of weights. Ipound yalazi-ke linemali, so nayo it's a very good currency, yabo nale. Then mase kuba i-AUD USD, the last time I checked nayo futhi yayinjalo, yayihambiselana according to ama-pips osuke ama-lot size osuke vele uwafakile ngalesi khathi ungena kwi-market. Mayithi nje ilona iqala ithi 0,10 mayinyuka izothi 0,20, mayinyuka ithi 0,10, ihamba kanjalo, yabo. Amanye ama-currencies ahamba amanye uthole ukuthi ufake u-0,10 kodwa iqale yathi 0,05, ithi mayinyuka ithi 0,07, unga-understand ukuthi why ingahambi ngalo 0,10 engisuke ngiwufakile as i-lot size. But ke loko-ke it's a topic for another day. So nalana-ke nala guys, U_S_D like irandi uyakwazi nalo liyalinka na, even ngisho noma kuthiwa mhlampe kunama-event alo, guys asifundeni uku-investa kwirandi. Irandi bandla akufani, linemali nalo. Okay, sorry, yeah. So kahle kahle, to be specific, ama-currencies ekumele sifokhase kuwona ngizokuchazela ukuthi imaphi. Number 1, u-NZD USD. Number 2, u-G_B_P USD. Number 3, u-USD CAD, nangu u-USD CAD. Number 4, elokugcina ngci, it is AUD USD. Oh, and then lolo number 5 lokugcina njalo USD CHF, which is Swiss francs, yabo. Iwona ama-currencies esifokhasa kuwona-ke thina masenza ama-fundamentals, and ane-cards zawo and all those things. Ngizonitshela ukuthi imaphi ama-events esifokhasa kuwona masenza ama-fundamentals. And guys, ama-fundamentals ngiwathanda into eyodwa, ngeke ngidlale ngani. Ngiwathanda ngokuthi uyangena kwi-market, wenza leyo mali oyenzayo, uyayiphumela. Awuhlali o-7 hours, o-3 hours ulibele ubhekana ne-charts, awulibele uwenza lento ekuthiwa i-market structure. Hhayi, mina nje guys ngavele ngahluleka nje, awufuni ukuqamba amanga, ngahluleka nje ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngile ngibukana ne-charts i-hour no-15 minutes. Hhayi, mina ngavele ngahluleka bafethu, ngahluleka ngabona ukuthi hhayi ngeke ngikwazi. There's a lot of things I wanna do outside of just sitting for a chart. So fundamentals, they are like a part-time job. And into engiwathanda ngayo nje mfethu, in and out within a minute sengi-right, sengiqedile. So that is all ebengifisa ukuthi nginazise kona namhlanje. If you have any video that you would want us to teach or explain or share information about, most definitely subscribe, share, comment down below. Niyalazi kudaba. Team Forex Moguls, let's get it.